had a test right when I went to go delete my storage.
Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Western Florida. This was also a test of the same system specific area messaging code.
Why did you have to fail?
Will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning.
You went off. Unfortunately, I was trying to get you, but of course they tested right when I stopped recording. Why did you not go off?
Your coastal waters forecast for the KHB 32 listening area for the following marine location. Tampa Bay waters. At 305.
Okay, well there we go. This went off. So unfortunately, I stopped recording right when they tested because they had to waste my storage all the time. All right, there we go.